A cruise ship journey can be a wonderful experience, but a few common mistakes can spoil your vacation fun. Be sure to avoid these 5 mistakes. 1. Not getting travel insurance. Many people skip travel insurance, which is a major mistake. If your flight is delayed, you fall ill, or you have to leave the ship due to an emergency, you could face a significant financial loss without insurance. Do not rely solely on the cruise line's coverage. 2. Booking your flight on the day of departure. This is the biggest mistake. If you book your flight for the port city on the very day the cruise departs, even a minor flight delay could cause you to miss your cruise. Always arrive a day early and stay in a hotel near the port. 3. Only eating at the buffet on the ship. While the buffet is convenient, don't overlook the fine dining restaurants included in the cruise fare. Make sure to visit the main dining room for dinner, where you can experience excellent food and better service. 4. Not packing essentials in your carry-on bag. It can take several hours for your checked luggage to reach your cabin. Be sure to pack essential items in your carry-on bag, such as passport and important documents, medications, swimsuit, clothes for the first day, and sunscreen. 5. Not returning to the port on time. The time the ship is scheduled to depart a port is called the all-aboard time. If you are not back on the ship by that time, the ship will not wait for you. Match your watch time to the ship's time, and always aim to return to the ship an hour before departure.